an interview of you. So we drove like 10 miles.
I got worms.
And they got gummy worms. And you guys figured out how to eat. Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah, and you just went to Jurassic World, huh?
yeah.
So Riker, look at me. I'm over here. So you can eat those with a helmet on, huh? That is really impressive. Okay?
I fed him a couple of them.
Well, yeah, but he can eat them with a helmet on. That's really impressive. Yeah!
Can you do it with it closed? What you do is grab the gummy worm and stick it up.
Yep. And then Rowan's full face motorcycle helmet will be here Monday. Right? But that one's pretty sweet. So what do you guys think of it? What's that, Riker?
You said people.
Yeah, and we went highway speed, huh? You thought we'd just go a little bit faster? Well, I just kept going on roads that were a little bit faster. We went highway speed. You know what that means?
What? Grandpa and Grandpa.
Grandma and Grandpa's, and I can take you guys back to your mom's in this thing, and all kinds of fun adventures. Yeah.
On the trail next to the car dealer that you would
Huh?
Remember the one next to the car dealer?
That off-road trail? Well, geez, this is not a dual sport. I said we could do gravel with it, but that's a little extreme. There are rocks the size of the engine in that thing.
Exactly, we gotta do it.
We'll see. We'll see. The oil pan is like this far off the ground, and so are the exhaust pipes, so I'm not sure I want to do that.
If we do and Riker doesn't want to do it, because I still get a little...
Well, we can go on some gravel adventures for sure.
We better go on that.
So this tire's wearing nice. Quit hitting the lens. You make the lens dirty. So we got that tire on. We got a front tire we got to put on, and I think I need to reroute my brake lines because they're on the wrong side.
Riker almost chopped my finger off.
So you guys want to go first thing tomorrow?
Heck yeah.
Okay, I'll get up early and I'll put that front tire on and then we'll go.
You better.
Okay?
You better. I will wake you up if you don't wake up by 6 a.m.
What? I don't even get up that early for my job that pays me money.
I know, I'll jump
Okay.
on your bed and wake
Good to
you
go,
up.
guys?
Yeah.
Sidecar kids? Okay. You did the hungry sign? Yeah, tell everybody what our signs are.
Okay, you do one and then I'll do one. And now, my personal favorite.
What one did we just come up with at the stoplight?
Please.
Yeah, what? 50, 50.
Or you can do.
That means look out, there's a moose or deer ahead.
What if,
So remember, if you guys
what if there's a skunk?
if you guys see the cops and Daddy doesn't, 50, 50.
What's wrong with the police seeing us?
Well, nothing, but we don't want to give them any excuses to pull us over, do we?
What would you do?
Well, look at this bike. The horn only works when the headlight's tilted too high, so I got to rewire that. But I guarantee they would give us a defect on the exhaust because it's loud.
Riker. No, my...
Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye. Wish us luck with this little stink.